have videoed it, but we're at the track, and Jeff let us use his Ernest Goes to Camp golf cart 3-wheeler here, and we was in there spraying brake cleaner to get it started, and Sam was holding the gas down, and it started up and backed into the wall of the barn. But we have a golf cart. Look at this. Can't beat that. Can't reach my door. Can you push that to me? Thank you. Okay, they're going out. We only get one time run, which is not ideal. So, about to go for the first time run. So we really need to not abort the run. So we'll see what happens. I mean, it's not ideal, but it is what it is. I've been fighting with my helmet for 5 minutes. I'm gonna try to go catch Johnny's time. All right, sorry, I was fighting with my helmet. I haven't looked at my time slip yet, but I think JP's up behind me, so I'm gonna try to catch his run real quick, see what he gets. He ran a 69, so the car's running good, it looks good, but he's, stand by, we're losing efficiency somewhere. That car, it should be going faster than that. So we'll have to look at videos. It might be spinning the tire, it might be doing something weird with the chassis, so we will go see if we can't figure it out. All right guys, so I forgot to update you. My car ran a 561. I'm fine with that. It is hot. It's about 90 degrees outside, and the altitude is like over 3,000. So the air isn't that good. But my car likes to do this thing where it speeds up as the day goes on. So I'll consult Sam on what we should put on the windshield, since she usually has a good idea.
A few minutes later.
What's happening?
Either my oil pressure line to my gauge is leaking, or the distributor is letting oil come up through there. But I'm not sure what's up right now. It's getting oil out and going on the intake, so not ideal.
So what's going on?
The distributor collar is not where it needs to be. The distributor, the little collar with the ring, is not far enough down, and it's allowing oil to come out of the crack. But we've fought with this thing because we couldn't get this distributor to go down on the oil pump, so we kept moving the collar, and now this is the other side of it. You need a rag?
Appreciate y'all being out this weekend.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll
Unless
go
like
check
you
with
fought
Jeff.
through, you know, and flip it through.
We'll go check with Jeff.
Okay.
Thanks, man.
All right, man. Sorry.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Now started.
It wouldn't be us without some drama. So you guys have probably seen if you watched our build videos on the car, we fought to get that distributor to turn the oil pump, like fought and fought and fought. It took forever. So we moved the collar to what we thought was the perfect spot, and it was turning the oil pump good, but apparently it was just loose enough to be letting oil come out from the intake. So we just farted around with it. We had a little drama trying to get it to turn the oil pump. We got it on there right. We started it up. It wasn't shooting oil out, so I think we're good. And we had to thrash because, like I said, we only got one time run, and they're calling us to the lanes.
Yeah.
So we got it ready, and we're going to go up there and hope everything goes well. But like I said, we always got some drama up here.
Get your time break down.
Okay, where's my stand at? This car's got some gremlins today. I don't know what the problem is. Ran a 74 too, so something wasn't right. Maybe our timing's way off. I don't know, but it wasn't right. Not ideal. We're getting towed back to the pits because the car won't start. I don't know what's wrong with it. It leaned out on the big end, just kept wanting to quit. So I don't know what the deal is, but we'll get it figured out. Alright guys, sorry I haven't really done many updates. Johnny is still in. We have switched the cameras to his car because he's still in competition. There are 2 races today, so we've been thrashing on my car, but it's not looking good. We're having some type of issue with this distributor. And then I also blew a header gasket out on the passenger side, so I got a real bad exhaust leak. So I think we got a few issues. It's nature is probably just telling us go ahead and put the thing in the shop and fix it before we press too hard and really tear something up. So Johnny's about to go up. They just called Top ET, and hopefully he can keep winning. We'll see what happens. Taking a break from this thing. I'm not gonna buy back. We got some issues and gremlins going on. Johnny's still in this thing, so we're gonna go and cover his races, see how well he can do. All right, y'all, it's still hot out here. We are gonna go ahead and load the Vega up. Johnny is going to enter this second race. So he's still in it. We just got too much going on right now that we're not comfortable throwing this thing together. We got exhaust leaks and whatnot. So we're gonna put the Vega back in the shop, get it buttoned up the way it needs to be, and we'll come and hopefully get them next time. Johnny broke out by 100, which sucks, but we looked at the video. He raised the launch RPM 200 RPMs and the car is leaving awesome. It's leaving like it did with the 427s, picking the front tires up, hitting the tire really hard, which is good. I'm sure he's happy about that. It probably felt good, but he broke out. So I don't know. Yeah, he's not going to buy back. He's pulled into the pit. He's pulled in toward his trailer, so that means he's not buying back. So he'll be happy about that 60 foot though. I bet it sped up. All right, since I'm a big fat loser today, I'm gonna cover Josh and Daryl's runs. Daryl and Zach are both entered in the same car. They're double entered in 2 different classes. They're driving the same car. So like I said, there's 2 separate races today. They're about to start the second one, and we'll cover their stuff. Alright guys, this is my good buddy Josh. He completely rebuilt this Vega over the winter. He double entered into this race, and up next you'll see him go to the final. And then he enters the second race, double entry, and you can see where he goes from there. Alright, our good buddy Josh is, what? You can go. Our good buddy Josh is still in it, and he's actually in the final. He double entered, and stand by for juniors coming up. He double entered, so in the semifinal he's actually racing himself, so he got a bye. So in the semifinal he got a bye, so he's in the final now. And if you don't know who Josh is, he's the one that always helps us work on the car down here. He was helping us earlier, so he also wins a lot. So he's a natural winner down here. So we're gonna go catch his pass real quick. Car's getting there as quick as we can. Oh God, is he gonna stop?
Yeah, it's awesome. Let it go.
This thing basically has no brakes on it. Looks like that dude went red, so I think, was that the final? Yeah. Oh, so Josh just won, as usual. That's usually what he does. All right, so today was a double header. Josh double entered into both races. He did not lose a race all day long. So this upcoming race is the final. He actually had a bye into the final because he was running himself. So not only did Josh win every race of the whole day, he technically runnered up. So he ended up getting 3 checks. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing the videos. Keep sharing with your friends. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Let us know in the comments what you guys want to see next, and we will see you soon.